So this is the problem here. This is the problem's core of a string, which is very easy, I'd say. So let's just go like, so if you have the string like hello, it's example, hello. You have to get the ASCII values of these characters. For example, if you don't know ASCII value, you should Google it, and it's a pretty basic thing. So each ASCII value is some numbers assigned to all the letters of the alphabet. So each has, for example, each has like 104, E has 1. I'm not quite sure. I think it starts from 97, assigned to A. So what we can do, so the problem says that if I do, so H minus E, I gotta mod it because we don't know what's coming after. Then we can do, the problem says A minus L plus L minus L plus L minus O. This is the whole, and we have to do the sum of it. We have to require to return the sum of it. So is that the ASCII value 104 minus 101. You get the point. It's pretty easy. So let's just code it up. Let's just say results equals 0. Then we can just go for line range. Length of the whole string. That's it. So yeah, let's say. Then we can just do the sum. Right? So we can do as order of S I plus order of S I plus 1. No, what am I saying? It's minus, right? Yes, minus. So, and we have to take care of the mod as well. So, put a wrap around the mod, and I just return it. Return this. I hope it works. Yep. Submit it quickly. I've done the problem before. That's why it says solved. Yeah, it's pretty. I don't know. It's not good, but it works. Thank you for watching.